today. I want to stay home and bake cookies with you.
Do you love me? Do you? Do you need me? Do you? Do you want me? Do you?
Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah.
Guys, I am gonna say no.
3, 2, 1, go! Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start.
Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip, kill it. Watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Can you?
I like aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jelly for me.
I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. Oh, ba 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 banana.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Stop. Quit playing games with my heart.
Okay ng ina mo, lo. Utang ina mo. Tingnan mo yung gagawin ko. Beast mode ako, ha?
Kabilang globo na, tagus pa. Ako gago kahit mag-napkin yung girlfriend mo, tatagusan siya.
Will your mouth still remember the taste of
These nuts. Ha! Got it!
what does the fuck say?
Shut up!
Magmatigas, hindi bagay, kasi pilit. Dati patawang ipot ka lang, ngayon gusto mo na maging tibe? Share! At sakit mo sa puwet.
Masyado ka maraming iniisip. Magbilang ka na lang ng bituin. Yan, ano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Puta Eddie, wow!
Utang ina mo!
Boom! Huwag kang masyadong maligaya dyan, Dudong. Ganyan lang talaga ang mayayaman, hindi kayang sumulong ng walang pisayang katulong.
Feeling mo ata magaling ka, ganon? Huwag kang mag-alala, tama yung feeling mo, talagang feeling lang yun. Alam mo kung kailan nauso yung hashtag Pogi Problems? Magmula nung na-problema na ako. At yung kagapuhan ko gusto niyang tawaran. Huwag namang ganyan, ito na lang ang aking puhunan.
At wala kang pake kung ako hindi natutulog. Kaya ako hindi natutulog, binabantayan ko lang ang sarili ko.
Magpataya ka na lang ng ending, kaya ka lang naman nag-trending kasi nahulog ka sa stage.
Lisa, I want some more.